You can store many eSIM profiles on one iPhone, but how do you keep track? The first, you need to label your eSIM plans in your iPhone settings. Follow these steps. Go to your settings. Tap Cellular or Mobile Service. Tap your eSIM plan, which is usually labeled as your secondary line. Tap Cellular Plan Label. Enter a custom label and save it. You can turn your eSIM line on and off depending on where you travel. For example, if you're traveling, you can install your eSIM ahead of time and turn it on to connect to a mobile network when you arrive. Here's how. Go to your settings. Tap Cellular or Mobile. Tap your eSIM line. Toggle on, turn on this line, and toggle on data roaming. When you return home from your trip, you can follow the same steps to turn off your eSIM line and switch back to your primary network. Ready for your next adventure with eSIM travel? Visit the eSIMLive website or download the eSIMLive app to find an eSIM for over 200 countries and regions worldwide. Embrace seamless connectivity wherever you go.